Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to mix two characters, and that is gonna be Grimace and Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. All right, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start with kind of the top of Huggy Wuggy's head. So I'm gonna go over here, up, and follow along with me, by the way. It's gonna be real easy. Just definitely grab a pen, pencil, marker, anything. Zigzag. Just zigzag in general right there for the side of Huggy Wuggy's like head. At least that's the style, right there for the hair. I'm gonna go over here now and I'm gonna do the exact same shape if I can. All right here, just something close enough. Again, when you do all of these things, you just want to be close enough. You don't have to be exactly to it, but just close enough and it's fine. Right, going back here and down. All right on. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna curve for kind of the side of the head. I'm sorry, the mouth. Pulling up under here and up over here. That's kind of like the Grimace cleft in that area. Although Huggy Wuggy also has a cleft. Curve over here and kind of draw on the rest of the mouth right there. Side of the mouth over here, and we're gonna go over here and what are we gonna do? You know what? I'm gonna leave the lips out of it, and I'm gonna just go straight into the teeth because Grimace has no lips, so I'm gonna leave it with no lips and just draw these jagged triangles coming down. Hopefully you're doing okay, by the way. Hit the like button if you're around. It definitely helps a lot with the channel if you can. I understand. If you can't, I totally understand as well. But definitely hit that like if you can. Line over here for underneath the lower teeth, kind of varying up their size, and I'm gonna draw the tongue in the back right here. Curve like so. All right, so far so good. So far it's chill. It's kind of all right. Now we're gonna go over here for the eyes, and I'm gonna draw a circle right here and a circle over here. Line right there for the lazy Grimace eyes, right? He's got the lazy look. And dot right here, dot right here. Another thing is we got to draw the eyebrows. That's the Grimace eyebrows. So curve right here on one side, fill it in. If you have a marker or pen or even pencil, line over here, fill it in as well. Cool. Gonna go down here for the side of the head, down here, side of the head. And now I'm thinking more Grimace, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go down wide with the body, wide. And by the way, if you have any other like suggestions, that's pretty cool too. If you have any other like, oh, okay, I wanna see these two characters put together, let me know as well, like in the comments. Down over here, I'm gonna like leave that open for the arms. Down over here, so I'm gonna make him fuzzy like Huggy Wuggy, but he's gonna have the shape of Grimace's body. Right here, right? You're doing the zigzag to show fuzziness. Gonna go pull out over here. Curve for his hand. Line over here for the other finger. Other finger. It just looks like, you know, regular hand. And then down over here for his lower part of his hand. Curve underneath, up over here, curve, out over here, down, and line up, out, down, right there for, he's got that shake. I don't know what do you call a shake, right? The Grimace shake. What would you call that character? Grimace mixed with Huggy Wuggy, Huggy Grimace? I don't really know. Like write that in the comments too, because that would really help. Down, curve around here. Out over here for the other hand. We're gonna draw a curve for the thumb, curve, curve, curve. And then over here, zigzag on the way down, right there. I forgot something too. See, inside the mouth, I'm gonna fill the inside of the mouth dark because it's gonna give it a much more graphical depiction, and it's gonna be easier to, you know, sort out what's going on. Right on. Sweet. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna go down. Right here, zigzag, over here, zigzag, zigzag down here for the feet, and he's gonna have Grimace's posture, you know? And so we're gonna, right here, we're gonna end this off right there, see? Because Huggy Wuggy has that kind of thing where his hand, and I'll do it with a hand as well. Pull out over here, down. And I think he's got like a toe there, right? Huggy Wuggy, I'm not sure. Line over here, down, along a straight line over here, curve back, back right there. Right on. Whew. All right. Cool, cool, cool. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the hand. So over here, I'm gonna draw like zigzag for the hand because there's like a difference in color, and over here as well. All right. And I think that's it. If you want, you can draw maybe some fur elements here to make it more, you know, realistic. And yeah, that is, please name this character. I have no clue what to name this character. This is wild. I have literally no idea how to name this guy. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. The next video mixture. This is like bizarre. I'm just like looking, I'm like, dang, well, was weird. But that is Huggy Wuggy crossed and merged with Grimace. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to pick up a free, what's it called? A free ebook. Go take a look at that, and I'll talk to you next time. See you later. Oh, I'm sorry. The ebook is on drawing cute. So there you go. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.